everybody, it's Carrie with Seed to Spoon. I just wanted to take a minute today and remind everybody that the month is almost coming to an end, which means that our November contest is almost done. And so if just a reminder, there's still a day left, so you can still enter if you haven't yet. This month we were giving away a free 6-foot long smart pot, one of these long beds that I have behind me. So it'll be a brand new one that we will send you in the mail. All you need to do is just to simply go into our what we're growing in November blog, the YouTube video, and make a comment in there, and make sure you are subscribed and you live within the continental United States, and you'll be entered to win. And we will make an announcement video on December 1st all about it, and announce the winner then. So good luck, everybody.